We've been in Haiti 4 years now, since a little bit after the earthquake, and we've really gotten to know the country, and we see a huge opportunity. So what we're trying to do now is help the businesses that are growing in this country to employ Haitians, to allow them to achieve their own destiny.
My wife and a partner of hers, they started manufacturing hair ties, hair bracelets, and other clay bracelets. And as you can see, we've got a backup generator that's been running for like 2 years now, and it's just hard on the pocketbook.
Social enterprises like this, I think, are very important because in this one very small space, they employ over 40 Haitians. And 40 Haitians, 40 families, there's a big ripple effect.
In addition to the Haitian workforce that they've employed, they use a portion of the profit to subsidize clean water projects in Cité Soleil.
Our work on that roof will help offset some of the costs that they have and, in turn, go into more clean water.
You guys are doing amazing work. Bravo.
What we're trying to do with social enterprise is building capacity. We want partners that are working with the community, that are creating jobs, that are stimulating the economy so that we can help them grow.